Hey everyone, Ryan from the homesteadconsultant.com here. Today I've got another iteration of the problem is the solution. So we've got a ton of weeds. If your garden is anything like mine and you've not been able to get to it for a long time, you're going to have a bunch of weeds like this. I'm going to show you a really simple solution that also provides a ton of benefit to your garden. So you can see I've got just a ton of weeds between my rows here, and I've started doing some weeding right here, right where all my things are planted, right along the trellis, but I don't want to have to weed this entire center and take all the time to do that. So what I'm going to do instead, or what I've done instead, and I'll show you up here, is we've taken all of the weeds from underneath the trellises and in the rows here and put it in the aisle between the rows. So I haven't weeded any of this. I just took the weeds from right here, threw them on top of here. And then what we did was we took cardboard, so you can see a little bit of cardboard sticking through there, put it on top of the weeds and then put wood chips on top of those. Now this is going to do create several major benefits for our garden. One is that these weeds are actually going to be very high in nutrients. So as long as they can't grow, which they won't be able to with the cardboard and wood chips over top, they will break down and create incredible food for the plants, for the worms, for all the other soil life. And then the wood chips here will actually hold a lot more moisture in the soil, giving these plants a lot more moisture so we don't have to water them. So it does two things. And then in my case, my garden is downhill going this way, so I'm going across the contour. And so the wood chips here create a little bit of a mound, so it's like all these mini swales as you go down that's going to slow soak and spread out the water as you go down. So that's my solution for weeding your garden quickly and easily when you've let it go way too far like I have. This time of year is crazy busy for me, so oftentimes the garden gets left for several weeks in between when I'm able to touch it. This time it got left for almost a month, and so this is by far the easiest and most beneficial solution I can come up with.